Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 3D text rendering settings in After Effects. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify 3D text rendering settings in After Effects, open your project. Select the text layer you wish to work with. In the timeline panel, ensure your text layer is properly highlighted. Navigate to the top menu and click on Layer. From the drop-down, select Layer Styles, then choose 3D Layer. You will notice a cube icon appear next to your text layer in the timeline. Click on the cube icon to enable 3D rendering for your text. Next, locate the Composition panel on your workspace. In the Composition panel, check the viewport to see if your text displays in 3D. Now, navigate to the Render settings in the Composition menu. Make sure the renderer is set to Classic 3D or Cinema 4D based on your project needs. For Classic 3D, click on Options to view rendering preferences. Ensure the text depth value is adjusted to your desired thickness. For Cinema 4D, explore additional options for advanced 3D settings. Check the Material options to customize the surface properties of your text. Adjust settings like Diffuse, Specular, and Ambient to enhance the look. Switch to the Lights panel to add lighting effects if necessary. Experiment with different light types to see how they impact your 3D text. Finally, preview your composition by hitting the spacebar to assess the rendering. Adjust any settings as needed until you achieve your desired effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.